Here's an easy gift when you're feeling stuck on what to give to your Secret Santa this year. I used a cozy blanket and a free printable that I found online. Simply print the tag, cut it out, and punch a hole in the top. I used some festive ribbon to attach it to the blanket. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.